welcome to the second video to the series of math learning. Today what we do is look at the textbook questions, and here I have, this is your chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progressions from class 10 textbook of NCERT. Alright, so let's first look at some common definitions. This is the definition that is given from your textbook here. Okay, here is arithmetic progression. Something that we learned in the previous video is a progression or a series of numbers with the same common difference, something that is defined as AP. Alright, then there is common difference. Common difference can be positive, negative, or 0. For example, this series 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Is this an AP or not? If you see, the common difference remains the same. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 0, 0, 0. So even if the common difference is 0, it still qualifies as arithmetic progression. That's something that you must remember and keep in mind. Let's move ahead. Let's solve some questions. I think that is what you guys want here. Okay, no, will not let this be where it is. Okay, this is example number 1. This is on page number 54. Let's see. Let me thin it out a little bit. Sure, fine. Now this is an AP that is given. This is the first term, A. Write the first term. A is obviously 3 upon 2 and the common difference. What is the common difference? You simply just subtract both the numbers. Okay. Now how do you do that? This is the second term is 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. Now this seems to be, or this looks very easy because the denominators are the same. I see a lot of students, even in grade 10, they have gaps in understanding about how to add, subtract fractions, decimals and whatnot. Okay, so it will really help if you take a basic understanding course of algebra, of mathematics, which I've already put on my YouTube channel. You can find the playlist over there. But right now this is very easy because the denominators are same. 1 minus 3. Okay, right, all right. So that is minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1. So this is the common difference. So simply just subtract. Alright, now example number 2. Let's look at example number 2. It says, which of the following list of numbers form an AP? So which of the numbers from the following list make an AP? What is the condition for a series of numbers to satisfy, to become an AP, is they must have a same common difference. How do you calculate common difference? You simply just subtract the succeeding number with the preceding number. Okay, now let's find out if this 4, 10, 16, 22. Let's see if this is an AP or not. You simply just subtract. 10 minus 4 is, yes, 6. 16 minus 10 is again 6. 22 minus 16 is again 6. Is the common difference intact? Yes, it is. Hence this could be, or this is an AP. Alright, fairly easy. I would recommend that you solve all the examples before you start solving the exercise, because what happens is, what happens is sometimes in the exercises we are asked some questions that are not at the basic level of understanding. They are somewhat HOTS, that is higher order thinking skill questions. So in order for you to develop or to have a good foundation, always go for the examples first, the solved or worked out examples, because a lot of teachers, they have this habit of asking questions from examples, especially the CBSE or the NCERT or the schools that follow the NCERT syllabus. A lot of questions in the exams, they do come from examples, solved examples in the textbooks. So it never hurts to be well prepared. Alright, sure, let's see. We'll come to exercise number 5.1.